welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the ABC fruits with beautiful colors. Purple color in A, blue color in B, light green color in C, guys please subscribe my channel. Light green color in leaves, red color in apple, brown color, yellow color in banana, dark green color in cherry leaves, red color in cherries, wow kids, our beautiful ABC fruits with beautiful colors already. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.